California Motorcycle Permit Practice Test 1.
Question 1. In a lane of traffic, there. Lane positions for motorcycle.
R3, R4, R2. Is 1.
Answer.
R3.
Question 2. The most likely place for a collision is
On a hill. On a curve. At an intersection. On a one-way road.
Answer.
At an intersection.
Question 3. When following a vehicle in front of you, you should maintain a second following distance.
4, 3, 2, 5.
Answer.
2.
Question 4. If oncoming traffic is present and you are passing a lane of parked cars, which portion of the lane should you ride in?
The center or the right? The center. The left. The right.
Answer.
The center.
Question 5. Most of your motorcycle's stopping power is provided by
The front brake. The clutch. By the front and rear brake equally. The rear brake.
Answer.
The front brake.
Question 6. When riding in a group, the best formation is the formation
Single file. V-shaped. Side by side. Staggered.
Answer.
Staggered.
Question 7. In counter steering, to initiate a turn, pushing the right hand grip will allow the motorcycle to
Stay straight on course. Make a U-turn only. Turn right. Turn left.
Answer.
Turn right.
Question 8. To stop quickly, the best method is to
Use the front brake only. Apply both brakes at the same time. Use the back brake only. Try and skid the back tire.
Answer.
Apply both brakes at the same time.
Question 9. If your motorcycle begins to wobble, the best course of action is to
Apply the brakes quickly. Close the throttle gradually. Grip the handlebars tightly and fight the wobble. Accelerate out of the wobble.
Answer.
Close the throttle gradually.
Question 10. When parking along the roadside, you should park
Parallel to the road. With your front wheel on the curb. At an angle of 45 to 90 degrees to the curb. At a 25-degree angle.
Answer.
At an angle of 45 to 90 degrees to the curb.
Question 11. In locations where there is oil and grease buildup, the best lane position is
In the blind spot. The center portion. Not important. The left or right part of the lane.
Answer.
The left or right part of the lane.
Question 12. If an obstacle cannot be avoided and you must drive over it, approach it at a degree angle.
25, 90, 135, 45.
Answer.
90.
Question 13. Increase your safety at night by
Riding with your high beam. Using the lights of the car ahead to help you see. Increasing your following distance. All these answers are correct.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 14. The best way to discourage another driver from trying to lane share with you is to
ride in the left portion of the lane. Flash your brake light. Beep your horn. Ride in the center portion of the lane.
Answer.
Ride in the center portion of the lane.
Question 15. Before changing lanes, you should check
the lane next to you and the far lane. Your signal light. The lane next to you only. The far lane.
Answer.
The lane next to you and the far lane.
Question 16. When conducting the evaluate step of the CE procedure, what are you looking for?
Traffic markings and signals. Vehicles that may move into your path. All these answers are correct. Road conditions that could be hazardous.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 17. When carrying a passenger, your motorcycle will
respond slower than normal. Respond the same as without a passenger. Respond quicker than normal. Easily tip over.
Answer.
Respond slower than normal.
Question 18. Rolling under throttle through a turn will
cause the motorcycle to tip over. Help stabilize the motorcycle. Cause the motorcycle to skid. Help the motorcycle stop.
Answer.
Help stabilize the motorcycle.
Question 19. As you approach the center of a turn, you should
move towards the outside of the curve. Decrease the throttle. Apply the rear brake. Move towards the inside of the curve.
Answer.
Move towards the inside of the curve.
Question 20. When making a slow, tight turn, the rider should
lean towards the front of the motorcycle. Keep his or her body straight while leaning the motorcycle. Lean the opposite direction of the motorcycle. Lean the same direction as the motorcycle.
Answer.
Keep his or her body straight while leaning the motorcycle.
Question 21. Changing your lane position can
all these answers are correct. Help you avoid being a blind spot. Provide an escape route. Communicate your intentions to other drivers.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 22. When slowing down where others may not expect it, you should
change lanes before slowing down. Shoulder check your blind spot. Beep your horn. Flash your brake light.
Answer.
Flash your brake light.
Question 23. An area that provides little traction for a motorcycle.
Are tire markings where other vehicles have traveled. Pavement that is hot from the sun. Lanes that are not often used. Gravel roads.
Answer.
Gravel roads.
Question 24. The best way to handle a tailgater is to
call the police. Allow them to pass you. Pull over and stop. Beep your horn.
Answer.
Allow them to pass you.
Question 25. Grabbing at the front brake
could cause the wheel to lock. Is only possible when already applying the rear brake. Should only be done in emergencies. Is the most effective way to stop.
Answer.
Could cause the wheel to lock. Thank you for watching the video and wish you will get your driver license soon.